Hola clase, hoy es miércoles el 27 de octubre 2021, and today is your first day that you will be working in Canvas as you have a guest teacher today. Make sure that you are doing your personal best and putting forth all of your effort. This assignment is due tonight by 11:59 p.m., so you should be able to get everything finished in class if you use your time wisely, so make sure that you are working to do that. So after you have finished watching this video, which would be right underneath the arrows, you are going to scroll down and you are going to watch another video. Watch and listen to this fun song about las formas, the shapes. Remember, las formas are what we're going to be working on next. So you'll click on that video and watch that. Next, you're going to watch another video, and this is going to be a video about your notes that you're actually going to add to your notebook for formas. So you're going to need your notebook. You're going to write the heading Las formas equals the shapes, and then you'll just watch this video. You'll have to pause it throughout so that you can get the different shapes written down. While you're working, you might want to practice saying those just in your mind. Since you'll all be working, you don't want to say them out loud necessarily in class, but start listening and understanding how you say those shapes as well. So once you have those added into your notebook, you're going to scroll down to number 3, and you're going to work on an Edpuzzle. Now, this Edpuzzle is not going to have all of the different formas that we are working on, but it has a nice selection of them. It also is going to ask you some questions that will be review about the color words. So you may want to flip back and look at your notes. You can use your notes during this activity. That is fine. Remember, the only way I get a notification that you have completed the Edpuzzle is if you let it play all the way to the end of the video. If you don't, then I don't get a notification that you completed. So make sure that you let the video play all the way to the end and make sure you're answering all those questions. So to get to the Edpuzzle, you'll click on this link, and it'll take you out to the Edpuzzle. Now, instead of las formas, it says figuras geométricas. That's another way to say shapes in Spanish. It actually means geometric figures, but we just say las formas. Same idea, just different title for it. So once you finish that Edpuzzle, then make sure that you are working to complete your Para Empezar this week. If you already have it finished, awesome. Make sure you've submitted it. If you haven't submitted it finished it and then submitted it, go ahead and you could work on that after everything from your Edpuzzle and your notes are done. If you have all of that done and there's still time remaining, you can go to class content, Duolingo, our Quizlet module to practice vocabulary, or you can work on any other work that you may have. Remember, you are welcome to ask the guest teacher for help. You can send me messages in Canvas. I am not positive how quickly I'll be able to get to those, but I will do my best. Work hard, do your personal best, and tengas un buen día. Have a great day, mis estudiantes. Adios.